Guys, it's me again. I just wanted to tell y'all it's another rainy day in Georgia. As you can see, it's raining a lot, and you might not be able to see it, but I'll prove it to you. Look at that. And I'll show you. Look how deep that goes. Up to my foot. But that's not all. If I don't get in trouble for going around here, because right now I'm not supposed to be outside. But this is more. As you can see, this is my whole foot. Oh, my foot is tiny. My foot is tiny, so. If you get lucky. You can see some of this. It's another rainy day in Georgia, and French forgot to pick that up. It's a beautiful sight. It's a really beautiful sight. Hey look, Mr. Sewage Drain Pipe. So yeah, that's about it. I better get inside before I get in trouble. Now I'll leave y'all off once I get inside. Actually, no, never mind. It's not the end of the video. Just stay tuned for a second. Shit. As you can see, look at that. Yeah, guys. Yeah. As you can see, it's a fucking mess. Leaves, sticks, I gotta clean this up. Hey look, it's the fan. Let's see if I can get past this without getting in trouble. Okay guys, that's gonna be it. If you enjoyed Rainy Day at Georgia, please like. I have 0 subscribers. Please, if you want to, just you know, no, never mind. Just do what you want to. Just like, favorite, like, do what you want to. In the meantime, I'm gonna leave you all with some music. Goodbye.